ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसभाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We have done up to 20, now 21. So only you two are there. You can do each one of you one sentence quickly. The man looks at the flowing river. Jyoti ji.
पश्यति नरः
Hmm. Hmm.
सरितां पश्यति फ्लोइंग सरति सरितां
Sarat is
वहति सरितां
no. Sarat is it is
नदी
Karanta Shabda. No, you can say Nadi
सरित
otherwise.
सरित
Because Sarat is Sarit Sarito Saritaha Sari. Um, what did you say? Saritam. Saridam it becomes.
सरितां
Saridam. Yeah. I think it is Takaranta Shabda. Like we have Takaranta, Marut is there, but in Srilinga we have Upanishad.
उपनिषद
Upanishad, Upanishada, Upanishadaha, Upanishadam. Saridam it will become. Yes. Not Saritam. I
सरित
think it is Sarit Takaranta. But anyway, if you don't know, then you can use Nadi.
नदी
That's simple. Nadi or whatever it is.
वहति
Any,
नदीं
yes. Flowing river. Bhagantim, right?
वहन्तीं नदीं पश्यति
Bhagantim, Nadim, Naraha, Pashyati, or Ikshate, whatever. So, Bhagantim, Nadim, Naraha, Pashyati. Simple sentence. So, you have done complicated. There is nothing simple. So, same thing will be Karmani would be?
नरेण दृश्यते
Yeah. Narena Drishyate. What?
नदी
Adi will become?
नदी
Nadi.
नदीं
Then
नदी नदी नदी
Bhaganti Nadi.
वहन्ती नदी नरेण दृश्यते
So, it becomes Pratama Nadi. Okay. The next one now. Kausalaji. The girl looks at the swimming fish. Swimming is through dhatu.
तरति
Tarati. So
करन्ति
girl looks. Balika.
बालिका पश्यति
Hmm. Fish is
तरन्तीं
Tarantim.
तरन्तीं मीनः
Why Tarantim? We have to see. Well, Tarantim or Tarat, what is that? Because Meena, first Meena is Meena, Matsya.
मीना
Meena is, I think, Pullinga. Or
मीनस्
Matsya is Pullinga. Sure, Matsya is Pullinga. Meena, have to check the dictionary. Meena must be pulling, I think. Meena.
Then
Or Matsya. You can use Matsya.
Matsya.
Meena. Meena is also pulling only.
Meenaha.
Or Meenam or
Meenaha.
Matsyam. Matsyam. So here then it becomes
Tarantam.
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 Taranto, Tarantaha,
Balika
Tarantam.
tarantam meenam matsyam pashyanti.
Tarantam Meenam Pashyati. Karmani, this would be same. Bali, Kaya.
Balikaya. Mm.
Balikaya drishyati.
Balikaya Drishyate. Then
Taranmeenah drishyate.
Karan Meenaha Drishyate.
Taran meenaha.
Simple. Next one. The woman looks at the fish swimming in the flowing river. So here we have
Mm. So that is combination of the first. Mahila drishyati. Mahila tarantam
Mahila Pashyati.
pashyati. Looks at the tarantam meenam.
Yes. Tarantam Meenam Pashyati. Looks at the
Saptami
fish, and the
flowing.
fish is swimming in the flowing river.
Saptami of nadi.
So Nadyam
Nadyam tarantam. Mm.
looks at the fish swimming in the flowing river, and Nadi is also flowing.
Mm. So
Let qualify Nadi
vahatyam.
also by yes. Vahantyam Nadyam
Vahantyam nadyam
Tarantam Meenam
tarantam meenam
Pashyati.
pashyati.
So you can see both are
Shatrantam.
Shatranta qualifying this. Karmani would be
Mahilaya drishyate.
yeah.
So vahantyam nadyam remains the same.
Yes.
Taran
That will remain same.
meenah.
So Taran Meenaha, that alone will become. The Bhagantyam Nadyam Taran Meenaha Drishyate.
Pashyate.
Balik Mahilaya. Look at the white cow.
On the grazing
Now the
cows.
grazing cows. Yes. Cows are legend. Look, means Lot Lagara. Pashya
Lukas Pashya.
or Iksha,
Pashya.
whatever. Look at the white cow.
Shwetaha Pashuhu.
Shweta. Pashu is animal. Deno you can use. So if you use Deno, Shweta becomes Shwetam. Strilinga. It's adjective. Denum Pashya. Tom is understood. Tom Denum Pashya. And Shweta is white. It is Visheshana, therefore qualifying Denu, which is Strilinga. Shwetam Denum. Among the grazing cows. Then,
Madhye.
yes, Madhye. What Madhye?
Madhye.
Dhenuna madhye.
Great.
Charan. Charatah.
Charatsu.
Charata dhen. Charatsu
Dhenushu.
dhenushu madhye.
Charatsu Dhenushu or Charantam Dhenuna Madhye. You can use Shashti or Saptami also.
Mm.
Becomes Charatam. What is Saptami of
Dhenunam.
Dhenu? Dhenunam.
Mm.
Charatam Dhenunam Madhye.
Madhye.
This is Nirdharana Sap. It is. You cannot make it we can make compound. Charatsu Dhenushu or Charatam Dhenuna Madhye. Shvetam Dhenum Pashyatam Pashya. Karmani would be Tvam Pashya. Toya. Drish. Pashya will become Karmani.
Drashyate.
Drishyata.
Drishyata.
Lot Lakara.
Drashyata.
Charatsu Dhenushu or this Madhye. Then Shvetam becomes Dhenuhu become Dhenuhu Dhenu. Shveta Dhenuhu Drishyata.
When it is cow, Gau also Gava.
Yeah, you can use go Shabda also. What is the
Mm.
word for go Shabda? Gauhu Gavo, Gavaha, Gam
Gavaha.
Gavo.
Gam.
And here
Gam.
it becomes
हाँ,
Gauhu. Go Shabda.
गौः
Okaranta Shabda. Gauhu Gavo, Gavaha, Gam Gavo, Gaha, Gava, Gobhyam, Gobhi. It is declined like that.
Okay.
And Deno is Denu, 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 Okaranta Shabda.
Mm.
Which is the combination of both Guru Shabda, Pullinga, as well as Vadu Shabda. Vadu also.
Mm.
Like in Chaturthi onwards, you have two forms, right?
Mm.
Denugu, Denu, Denavaha. You know Denu Shabda. Don't know, you have to memorize it. You have seen Denu, Denu,
Yes.
Denavaha, Denum, Denu, Denuhu, Denva, Denubhyam, Denubihi, Denvai, Denave.
Then.
Denubhyam,
Mm.
Denubhyaha, Denvaha, Denoho, Denubhyam, Denubhyaha, Denvaha, Denoho, Denvoho,
Then. Then.
Denoho, Denunam, Denvam, Deno, Denvoho, Denushu.
Mm.
He Deno, He Denu, He Denavaha.
Mm.
Okay, this Denu Shabda. And Denvai, Denave. Denvai is like Vadvai, Vadu Shabda, Ukaranta.
Mm.
Denave like Gurave.
Mm.
That's why it's a combination of Guru and
Vadu.
Vadu Shabda. Vadu is Ukaranta.
Mm.
Okay, anyway, fine. Do not jump out of the moving bus. Yes. Do, Jyotiji.
Madhava.
Yeah. Madhava. Do not jump out.
Lokayanat.
Yes, it is Apadana.
Mm.
Dhrumapaye Apadanam. Lokayanat.
Chalantam Lokayanat
No,
Madhava.
no, no, no. Chalantam Lokani, that's
No,
wrong.
no, it will be the fifth Panchami. Chalan.
Chalataha.
Chalatah Lokayanat.
चलतः
Chalataha Lokayat. Ma, you cut it and put it here. Madhava. Hmm?
Mm.
Chalataha Lokayanat Madhava. Saptami. Okay, then Karmani would be Chalataha Lokayana, Chalataha Lokayana. Dava is who is a Karta.
Tvam.
Tvam.
Vaya.
So Taya is understood. Therefore,
Mm.
Taya Ma
Dhavyatam.
Davyata. Yes. Lot Lakara. Here it Tvam is understood. Tvam Madhava. Then the next one.
The
Mahila, I
boy
want to
falls
try.
off the rising
Mahita.
sun.
Mahita.
Yes, Guruji. The boy falls off the rising camel.
Hmm.
Camel, okay. Falls off.
Patati.
Patati.
Balaha.
Balaha patati.
Hmm.
Camel should be in Panchami, but
Hmm.
word for camel is
Ushtra.
Ushtra.
okay. So Ushtrat.
Ushtra. Ushtrat. Uštrat. And it's being qualified by the camel, which
Uh,
is
Rising.
rising is
Rising. So Aro.
Patatah.
Arovata. Where does it climb? Where does it rise?
Okay.
Uttishta. Utpurvaka tishta. Tadatu. That is rising, right?
Hmm. 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 Right. So, Uttishtat.
Uttishtataha.
Yes, Uttishtat.
Uštrat. So Uttishtata is Utpurvaka. Stadatoho. Chatranta Rupam. Panchami. Ekavacham. Same thing when Karmani would be Balaha Patati becomes
Um.
Patyate.
Yes.
Balena.
Yes.
Anabhita Karta. Tritiya.
Hmm.
Uttishtaha Uštrat will remain as it is, will not undergo any change.
Hmm.
Okay, the student we have to do quickly. Okay, a lot of sentences are there. Student fell asleep while reading. So Jyotiji.
Students fell asleep. Okay.
Student fell asleep while reading. What is the what is the word for sleeping?
निद्राति
Anidrat, because past tense.
छात्रः अनिद्रात्
Or the other dhatu shete, shing dhatu. Or sub dhatu also is there. You can use sub dhatu also. So shete, shayate, sherate. But what about the lang lakara? Lang lakara is asheta. So you can say student chatraha anidra, that is possible. Or asheta, or sub dhatu would be
स्वपत्
no. Swapiti, swapataha, swapanti. Letlakara. Aswapat.
अस्व
It will be, I think, Aswapat. Will undergo samprasaranam. Lotlaka, langlaka. Aswapat only, yeah. Aswapat. Or Nishtarupam, if you use Swapitavan,
स्वपितवान्
it's a said dhatu. So, while reading, then
पठत्
Patan Chatraha, simple. Patan Chatraha Nidrat. When you translate, it will be the reading students fell asleep. It means while reading, he fell. That is the meaning. While reading. In fact, all these things we have seen in the beginning itself. Remember, the introduction we saw this. Same thing comes here. Okay. Then Karmani would be
छात्रेण
Patata Chatrena. The Nidrat will become
निद्रात् no, it will become yak.
Nidra. See, this is something. Dhatu is Anekach Dhatu Nidra. Nidrati. Dhatu is there, Nidrati. I think it is there, Nidra. Nidra Dhatu. I have to check anyway. We have Dhatu Nidrati. Nidra.
We have done it. Nidrati we have done somewhere. Nidrati.
Somewhere we have. Okay. I don't know what form it is. So, okay. Akara and the Dhatu. If I just apply the rule, but I'm not sure whether the form is correct. Okay. Just to do like that. Let us quickly see. It will be Yata Nidriyata. Anidriyata. I'm not sure whether the form is correct. I have to check that. Okay. Assuming this is a form. Okay. I'm not sure. I will check the form and tell you later. I'm not sure about this. The Shing Dhatu. That is, we have used. That will be Langlakara. Form would be Atagama will come. Dhatu is
Ashi.
Shi Dhatu plus Yak plus Ta.
The Ashiyata.
Plus Ta. No. That E will undergo some change. That is, we have a rule. Attagama, Shi plus Yata. Then we have She will become by there's a Ayangi iti, one rule is there. When Ekara Adi Pratyaya follows, there will be Ayang Adesha for Shi Dhatu. So for Shi, E will be replaced by on Adesha, Aya. So Shakara plus Aya, Shaya, then you will have Ya is the Nya is the Ashayata is the Rupa. Anyway, this is also very difficult. If you don't find, you can just note. This I'm not sure. This is fine. And this is Swabdhatu. Okay. Yeah, Ashayata is Karmani. And Swabdhatu will be Swab plus
Yak plus Ta.
Atagama at plus Swabdhatu
Swapyata.
plus Yak plus Ta. Yak plus Ta is Yata. No, here you have to, this is Kit Pratyaya. Swabdhatu is Samprasarana Dhatu. So when Kit Pratyaya follows, it undergoes Samprasaranam.
So, Asupyata.
Therefore, it becomes asupyata. Sakara, then bakara will become ukara, then supyata, asupyata. In karmani, it be supyate, supyate, supyante, asupyata. And here it is simple, swapitaha or swapitam, because
Mm.
karma is there in the sentence. Is that karma?
No. No.
Therefore, swapitam, you have to make it napumsakalinga, ek pratama, ekavachanam.
Mm.
That is simple, in fact, compared to all.
Mm.
Asupyata is equal to swapitam. Or this also equivalent, we can have Nishtarupam. What will be the Nishtarupam? Shi dhatu. Shi plus
Shaitam.
ta. How we get Shi Shaitam? Shi dhatu. Ta pratyaya cannot cause Angakarya. It not become She. How you say Shaitam? The word we have missing anywhere. Shaitam. Shaita, the Shi plus ta. In fact, Angakarya happens. She becomes She. This is ta pratyaya, but this is a special case. Chi dhatu undergoes Angakarya. Even though ta pratyaya, she will become she become, and this is a set dhatu, e, shayita. Shayita is the form. Shayitam. Generally, Angakarya will not happen for ta pratyaya.
She. Mm.
This is followed by ta pratyaya. Angakarya is not supposed to happen. But in the case of she dhatu, there is an exception. I have to check how does it happen. Maybe some sutra is for that. Okay, Nidra, that I have to check. Nidra or Dhatu, only how the formula comes. Anyway, I think we have this much is enough. Shayitam, Patata, Chatrena, Shayitam, Masvapitam, we can use. Next one. The boy felt happy while jogging. Jogging is running. Okay.
Running. Mm.
So Kausalaji will do.
Felt happy. Santushtaha.
Yeah. Santushtaha.
Balakaha.
Santushtaha itself is okay. Balaha Santushtaha abhavat. Kidrishaha balakaha.
Dhavan.
Dhavan. Running. Jogging. Right? Simple one. Karmani would be Santushtaha is akarmaka dhatu. That's why ta pratyaya can denote karta also. Otherwise it should be santushtavan. So in fact we can use santushtaha or santushtavan. Both are okay. Abhavat is not required, just a matter of both. But because this itself plays a role of a verb. Now here, karmani would be Davata Balena Santushtam. Make it Santushtam Napumsakalinga Pratama Ekavachanam. Davata Balena Santushtam. Understand? Medlook sentence is not complete. That is how it is. Otherwise, while felt happy, is there any word? Tushyati, you can say. Atushyat, Santushtaha. If you want to use Kriya Padam, Atushyat. Dhavan Balaka Atushyat. So here it would be Atush, Tushdatu plus Tushyate. Davata Balena Tushyate. Tushdatu. Suppose if some upasarga you had, then where it would be? You have to add before. Asama Tushyate. Asama Tushyate. Sorry, Sama Tushyate, not Asama Tushyate. Sam plus Atushyate, Asama Tushyate, like that. Okay.
We can say Sukham Anubhavati or Anandam Anubhavati.
Why not? We can say Anandam Anubhavati, Anandam Anubhuyate, Anandahar. You can say Sukham, Anandam, whatever it is. Yes. Next one. Mahita. Saluting, yes, teacher. Yes, question to the teacher.
Ask question. Pritchati. Prashnam pritchati. Saha prashnam pritchati.
Yes.
Saha adhyapakaya prashnam pritchati.
Good.
No.
Saha, Jikarmaka dhatu, yes. Adhyapakaya, your choice. Adhyapakaya or?
Adhyapakam.
Shikshakaya.
Or Adhyapakam. Because Dvikarma.
Adhyapakam or?
Shikshakam, Acharyam.
Adhyapakat.
Gurave.
Adhyapakat also. Adhyapakat.
Pakat.
It's all your vivaksha. Vivakshataha karakani here. Of course, Dvitiya you can use because Vikarmaka dhatu. Adhyapakaya or Adhyapakat. That is Sampradane or Apadane. In that place you can use karma. Okay, your question is saluting. Okay, saluting as then
Naman.
Yeah, Naman Chatraha, Naman student. Karmani would be Namata. Tena. Then here what will happen? Adhyapakaya or Adhyapakat. If it is Adhyapakam, then
If it is Adhyapakam, then Gauna will be
which is Gauna? In the sentence, which is Gauna, which is Pradhana?
Pradhana is Prashnam and Gauna is Adhyapakam. So Gaunam Prathama. 1 second. Gaunam Prathama. Yes. So it will be Adhyapakaha and Prashnam. Yeah.
And this will be Prichyate.
Prichyate.
We have seen Dugyadehe, Karmani.
Gaunam
Pratama, Pradhanam.
Dvitiya.
And Nihritripaham.
Pradhanam Prathama.
Pradhanam Pratama. Gaunam Dvitiya. But here if you take the Panchami or this Shaptati, that will remain as it is. This alone changes. Adhyapakam or Adhyapakat. Adhyapakam or Adhyapakaha. While driving the vehicle, next person. Jyotiji.
While driving the vehicle, he fell down. Saha apatat. Saha patitavan. While driving the Yanam chalantam. While driving, he fell down.
Saha apatat
Chalati
or patitavan while driving the vehicle.
Chalayan.
Yes, Chalayan, Saha. What Chalayan?
Vahanam Chalayan.
Yahanam or Yanam. Okay, whatever it is. Yanam or Vahanam. Chalayan.
Chalayan Saha apatat.
Yes, Saha patitavan. Karmani would be
Tena
Yanam Vahanam Chalayata Tena Patitam. And here Apatat will become
Apatyata.
Apatyate is Gatlakara. Apatyata fell down. Then translate and convert into Karmani Prayoga. Okay, here is all of some Sanskrit centers given. Udaharanam. Sanmarge Gachin Janaha Sarvam Saditavan. Karmani would be Sanmarge Gachata Janena Sarvam Saditam. So similarly, we have to do here translation as well as this Kausalyaji. Nidra Kurvan. Nidra Kurvan, is it correct?
Pashyati.
It is nidra kurvan.
निद्रां कुर्वन्.
Nidra akaranta. Nidra is also shabda. You can decline nidra like nama shabdavat. Nidra is it is akarantah strilinga shabda. Dhatu also is there. And nidra is also is there. Nidra, nidre, nidraha. So nidram kurvan saha swapnam pashyati. Okay, then. So meaning is clear, right? While sleeping, it dreams.
Dreams.
So karmani would be only karmani alone. Simple.
Tena pashyate nidram kurvan
No, there is
tena
no pashyate the word in the language. Drishyate.
sorry, drishyate.
Tena kim drishyate?
Swapnaha.
Tena is qualified by
कुर्वता.
Nidram
kurvata tena. Kurvata tena swapnaha drishyate.
drishyate.
Nidram kurvatam tena swapnaha drishyate. Simple. Okay. Any other thing you want to do, you can do also. But anyway, just doing stopping here. The next one. Dvare tishtantaha.
द्वारे तिष्ठन्तः रक्षकाः प्रवेशं निवारयन्ति.
Nivarayanti.
तो रक्षकाः निवारयन्ति. निवार
Ni purvaka. Then var is there. Vari. Then the
निवार्यते.
conjugation nivar. Nivari dhatu is nivari. Vari plus yak plus te. Nivar.
निवार्यते.
Pravesha is karma. Pravesha ka nivaryate. Kena. Kaihi.
रक्षकैः.
रक्षकैः.
And that is qualified by
तिष्ठन् yeah
tishtadbihi. Dvare tishtadbihi rakshakaihi pravesha nivaryate. Next one. Janana ajnanam janan jnani maunena tishtati.
स्थीयते. ज्ञानिना मौनेन स्थीयते. जनानाम् अज्ञानं जानता.
Maunena stiyate. Jnani is
ज्ञानिन्.
jnanina. Jnanina stiyate. Janata jnanina.
जानता.
Jananam
जनानाम्
ajnanam
अज्ञानं जानता.
janata jnanina. Jnanina, sorry. Jnanina, not jnanina. Jnanina. Jnani, how do you decline that?
This ज्ञानिन् शब्द.
Yes, Karin Shabda. Shabda. Jnani, Jnanino, Jnaninaha. Jnaninam, Jnanino, Jnaninaha. Jnanina, Tritiya. Nakaranta Shabda. Jnanina, Maunena Stiyate. Stadatu, Akaranta Dhatu. Next one, Kausalya. Yuddham Kurvantaha, Sainikaha, Veeraswargam Prapnuvanti. Prapnuvanti becomes Latlakara. Abdhatu, Prapurvaka. Abdhatu plus yak plus te. I've done the answer, given the answer.
प्राप्यते.
Prapyate. Where Veeraswargam becomes Swargaha.
Swargaha.
Then Sainikaihi. And this becomes
कुर्वद्भिः. कुर्वद्भिः.
Kurvadbihi.
Yuddham Kurvadbihi Sainikaihi Veeraswargaha Prapyate. Veeraswarga is a compound. What is Veeraswargaha?
वीरस्य स्वर्गः.
Veerasya Swargaha. Swargaha is a lokaha. Veeranam lokaha, Veeranam Swargaha, Veeralokaha, Veeraswargaha. The place of Veeras. Veeraswargaha. That's how we have to take Shashti Tat portion. Vastram Dharan Sandhipaha Paniyam Patati Smahita. Paniyam Patayati, not Patati. Patayati means Cause to fall.
Make fall.
Oh, yeah.
Throws,
Hmm.
drops.
Hmm.
Patati, he falls.
Hmm.
He causes means he drops. That's the meaning. Cause to fall
Hmm.
means what? Either he pushes or he drops.
So
We cannot
patayate.
say that chashaka patati. He falls means he falls. The person falls. The person what he has, he drops. That is patayati.
Hmm.
So patayati is drops. Paniyam patayati means he drops the water.
Hmm.
He causes the water to fall. Means he drops.
Hmm.
Okay. Sandeepaha, name of the person. Vastram Dharan Sandeepaha. While
Holding
dressing.
Holding
By holding the dress or while dressing, whatever. He drops
drops the water.
water.
drops the water. Okay. Patayati become dhatu is pati.
Oh,
Patyate.
pati.
Pati dhatu. Pati plus yak plus te.
Plus
Yak plus te
te.
is yate. And here ni is there when followed by adadhatuka pratyaya, which is doesn't take itagama. Here not
No
valari, right?
angaka.
Therefore anit. When anit follows, the knee will drop. So rule nehe aniti. So drop e that is ne
Patyate.
that is knee. Therefore patyate.
Patyate.
What patyate? Paniyam. That should be karma.
It should be in prathama here.
That is here Prathama and Ditya also Paniyam only. Napamsakalinga, like Phala Shabdavat.
Okay.
The form doesn't change. Form is same. I mean, okay. Not form is same. Therefore, here it is Prathama, here it is Dvitiya. Sorry, here it is Dvitiya, here it is Prathama.
Jitiya.
Sandeepaha will become
Sandipena.
Dipena.
and Dharan.
Dharata.
Tarata.
So Vastram Dharata Sandeepena Paniyam Patyate. Next person. Jyotiji. Uttaram Chintayan Praveenaha.
Stakam
Pustakam
Anveshayate.
How do you get Anveshayati the word?
Anuvish.
Anu? Then Veshayati. Is there even Veshayati? Yeshayati.
Oh.
Sandhi, and Sandhi. How do you get Yeshayati?
Ish. Dhatu. Apurvaka ish dhatu.
Purvaka is dhatu, really.
1 second. Ish here.
What is Anu plus Ish?
How do you get Yeshaya?
Anu plus A.
It's correct only what he said. But
Apurvaka.
not Apurvaka. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Tell that. What is the dhatu?
Ish.
Not
Ish
Ish.
dhatu.
Ish dhatu. Ish
Ish
dhatu what is?
dhatu. So
Ish dhatu causative would be
Ish.
Yeshi.
Yeshi.
Yeshi plus Sha plus Tit. Yeshi become Yesha. Yeah, Yeshayati. Anveshayati. That's what it is here. So Yeshaya is equal to, it is Ish plus
Nich plus.
But what is Ish dhatu? Ish means, what is the meaning of Ish?
Ichayam.
That is not the meaning here.
Searches. Anu plus Ish.
Ishu Ichayam, one meaning is there, but issue in the sense of go, movement. Katau also is there. That is fourth conjugation. Here there is no Icha is there. Anveshatami is searches, so in sense of going. Gatyartaka dhatu. I thought it is in, but it's seeing Shakara, then I understood what Ishu is. This in the Ish dhatu, which is not Ishu Ichayam, but Ish dhatu. Fourth conjugation, this Ish dhatu. From that only you get Anveshayati. Okay, this is the note. Ish is Gatau. Fourth conjugation. Fourth conjugation, it is, I think, Parasmay Padidhatu. Plus Nich will become Anu, then Ish become Yesh, Yeshi, Yeshaya, Yeshayati. Then finally get Anveshayati. Now, fine, that is the So Anveshayati means search. Anveshanam.
Mm.
Pustakam Anveshayati means he looks for the
Search is for the book.
book. Uttaram Chintayan.
Mm.
Thinking of the answer.
Mm.
Karmani would be
उत्तरं चिन्तयता प्रवीणेन पुस्तकम् अन्वेष्यते.
Pravinena Chintayata. That part is correct. Pustakam here. Anu plus Eshaya is a Eshi is a dhatu plus Yat plus Te. How it would be? Anu
Eshite.
Purvaka dhatu is, what is dhatu? Dhatu is
Ish.
Eshi.
Ish. Mm.
Eshi is a dhatu. Then Yat plus Te, Yate.
So अन्वेष्यते.
Anveshyate. He will drop, as I said, Negayaniti, then Yansandi, Anveshyate.
Mm.
Anveshyate. Next person. Kausalyaji. Jalam Nayan Sridharaha Duradarshanam Pashyati.
Duradarshanam
Meaning
Pashyati.
is Sridhara who brings, while bringing water,
Watches
he
TV.
Water.
Watches
TV.
TV.
Watches
Hmm.
TV.
So Karmani would be Drishyate, Pashyati, Drishyate.
Drishyate.
Kena,
Sridharena.
Sridharena. Kidrishaha Sridharaha.
Jalam Nayata.
Jalam Nayata. Jalam Nayata Sridharena. Duradarshanam is Duradarshanam only. Napumsakalinga.
Duradarshanam.
So here it is
Drishyate.
2-1. Duradarshanam Drishyate. Nagita. Pita Patantam Balam Drishtva.
Drishtavan.
Drishtavan. No, Drishtavan, we'll change it. What Drishtva, Drishtavan? The meaning. Drishtavan.
Hmm. Okay. So, Prishtavan should become, one second. Balam should be Balaha. So for
No.
that,
Balam
one.
is a karma for Drishtatu. So that remains as it. Don't change it. Balam
Okay.
Drishtva. And Patantam also qualifies Bala. That also will remain as it is. Patantam Balam Drishtva. Pita.
Pitra Prishtam.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Pitra Prishtam.
Okay.
So here we cannot make. Otherwise, what will happen to the dhatu here? That will be hanging. So with Drishta means it will have as karma, right? Having seen this reading boy, father asked. Asked by father, having seen the reading boy. That having seen that this part is
Same.
karma, but Bala is a karma for this dhatu, not for the Prish dhatu. Therefore, you cannot make it Balaha. Because dhatus are for corresponding karakas. You have to check and you have to make the karaka to the karma karaka to the main kriya alone into pratama. Here there is no karma. Therefore, it is bhave prayoga in fact. Okay. Even though dhatu is sakarmaka, but it is bhave prayoga, karma bhavatvat. Okay.
I mistook the main sentence to be Pita Balam Prishtavan. So that is wrong, right?
Jyoti, janaha vanam ganchantam ramam avalokya ruditavantaha. Meaning is simple, you can understand.
Having seen Ram going to the forest, people cried.
Rudidata is akarmaka. Therefore, first you can just make it ruditam.
Ruditam. Janaihi ruditam.
That's the main sentence. Other things you can easy. Vanam gachantam.
Ramam.
That also remain as it is.
Same is the same.
This is akarmaka dhatu. Can it become garamaka gachanta gachan? No. Karma for avalokana kriya. Simple. This will not change at all. Simple sentence. I should have given this in English asking you to translate in Sanskritam. That really would be a good exercise. Simply we are doing from Sanskritam to Sanskritam. Anyway, it helps you to develop language. Arakshakaha aparahantam. Kausalyaji. Apara, aparahantam.
अपरहन्
That's wrong. Okay. What is aparahantam?
Parantam.
Harantam.
Haran.
Slightly
Apaharantam.
typo. Harantam it should be. Harantam is stealing. Or what is it? I mean, just snatching. Apaharantam choram baddhavantaha. So it should be Karmani.
आरक्षकैः
Choraha baddhaha.
Choraha. That is
चोरः
Baddhaha.
karma. Choraha is
Baddhaha.
baddhaha. Simple.
Apaharan
Baddhaha.
choraha baddhaha.
अपहरन्
Apaharan choraha baddhaha.
चोरः
They're all very
बद्धः
simple sentence. The next one, Margarita. Saha patantam balam drishtva asitavan.
Asitavan.
5 seconds. You have to do quickly.
Tena
Then asitavan becomes
hasitavatam.
asitam. No,
Oh,
no.
hasitam.
It
Okay,
says
sorry.
akarmaka dhatu. Just close your eyes and say asitam. Over. It cannot
Okay.
be. It cannot in keeping with karma. Karma not there. Tena
Yes.
asitam. Simple. Other things
Yes.
will remain same. Over.
Yes.
Next one, Jyotiji.
व्याप्नुवन्तं मेघं दृष्ट्वा मयूरः नर्तितवन्तः So मयूरैः नर्तितम्.
Yeah, Mayuraihi Nartitam. This is interesting. Nartadhatu. Nartadhatu will be. What is Nartitavantaha?
They danced.
No. Yeah. The Nirta is dance. Nirtavantaha is Tapratya. Nirtava, Nirtavanta, Nirtavanta. But Nartitavantaha is not dance, cast to dance. Is it the dance? No. Cast to dance. How can be dance? If it is dance, then Nirtavantaha, Mayuraha, Nirtavantaha should be. Nartitavantaha. Mayuraha, Nartita means cast to dance. They are stimulated or they are induced, they are caused to dance. They are caused to dance. It means they are made to dance. Okay. So Nirtadhatu is Sakarmaka or Akarmaka?
Akarmaka.
It is Akarmaka. Nartitavantaha is caused to dance Sakarmaka. Nijanta will become Sakarmaka. But anyway, yet karma not there. So it's not a problem. Understand Nirtavan, Nartitavan, there is a difference. Narti is a causative. Nartayati is what is Nartayati? Nartayati caused to dance. Nrityati dances. Okay. So Nartayati will take karma. Nrityati will not take karma. Saha Nrityati. No karma. Tena Nrityate. Saha Nartayati. That is possible. Nartayati caused to dance. That can take karma. So anyway, here karma not there. Therefore Mayuraihi
Nartitam.
Artitam. Vyapnuvantam Megham Drishta. That will not change. What is Vyapnuvantam? Pervading.
Pervading.
Seeing the cloud spread. The peacocks are made to dance. Kausalyaji. Davantam Mirgam Ramam Anusrutava. Simple one. Anusruta means follows. So should be?
Anusrutam.
So Kausalyaji will tell.
अनुसृतं
Anusrutam. Kena?
रामेण
Ramena. That's it. Davantam Mirgam. This will become? He goes after the running deer. Running animal, deer. Anusrutam. Davantam Mirgam Ramaha Anusrutavan. So Mriga is a karma.
Hmm.
Therefore, it is mrigaha.
Mrugah.
Dhavan
Dhavan
mrigaha.
mrugah.
Ramena
Dhavan mrigaha
Anusruta.
Ramena Anusruta.
anusrutaha. Anusrutaha, is it sakarmaka or akarmaka? Srudhatu.
Sakarmaka.
Srudhatu is gatyartaka dhatu. Sarati, from that srudhatu only you get the word revert, etc. Srudhatu. Sarati sartaha. Gatyartaka dhatu. So it is sakarmaka dhatu. Flows. Sakarmaka dhatu. Yes, I had to check anyway. Sakarmaka, akarmaka. Sorry, I don't know. Because srudhatu is gatyartaka. Therefore, I said Gandhatu is, but need not be. Okay. Because it's Gatyartaka Dhatu, need not be Sakarmaka. It could be Akarmaka also. With Sakarmaka, Akarmaka, little problem will be there. You have to check Bragad Dhatu, Kusumakara. They are arrived by some Tarka with the Sakarma, Karmaka and all. Okay. Anyway. So here it is Sakarmaka very clear. Why? Because Davantam Manasutavan. So it is Sakarmaka Dhatu. Sorry. It is not with Anupurvaka. With Anu or without Anu also it's okay. Anusutta means follows. So it is Sakarmaka Dhatu only. Sutavan. So therefore Sakarmaka Dhatu. Sru Dhatu alone to check. But Anupurvaka, here it's very clear. Brigam is there. He follows. Like Anugachati. Following. So there must be someone to follow. That is karma. Okay, next one. Nagita. Nrityantam Mayuram Avalokya.
Sarpaha
Palayitavantah.
Palayitavantah is
Ran away.
Nagita. Palayitavantah is
Palayitam.
Sarpaha. So here Nrityantam Mayuram. Mayura is the karma for Avalochana Kriya. So that will not change. Sarpaihi Palayitam. Sarpaihi Palayitam. Bhave Prayoga. Karma not there. So Sarpaihi Palayitam Napumsake. Napumsaka Pratama Tabhakti Ekavachanam. Navanitam Charayantam Krishnam Gopi Bhatsitavati. Jyotiji. Bhatsitavati is
Bhatsita. Bhatsitam.
Gopya.
Gopya Bhatsitam.
No. Krishnaha Bhatsitaha.
Bhatsitaha. Navanitam Chorayan Krishnaha Gopya Bhatsitaha.
Krishna is a karma. Chayan Krishnaha. Namanitam Chorayan Krishnaha Gopya Bhatsitaha.
Bhatsitaha.
Oh God, what's happened?
What's the meaning of Bhatsita?
Threatening.
Oh.
What happened? I don't know. I am not able to remove the highlights. I don't know, some key I pressed by mistake.
Oh.
You know what is what key, Mahita?
1 second, Guruji.
I'm not able to remove the highlight. If I'm not able to remove it, I won't be able to type. By moving the cursor,
escape maybe? Press
escape. I tried. Escape. It's only J.
Okay, it's not working. Maybe save and exit the dock and come back again, Guruji.
Save and exit. Okay. Meanwhile, you can see the PowerPoint. But again, the problem will be there.
Mostly not, Guruji.
No, it will be the problem. Same problem will be there.
Is it so?
The key is not yet made. It's not cancelled.
I
That's
will
the
check.
problem. I've faced this from many times.
Oh,
Very good. Not able to open the file now.
you're not able to open the file.
It selects everything. So, very good. Okay, we have to stop here then. Not able to do anything. Now I have to shut down and then do it. Okay.
How
No
to
problem.
undo selection?
Selection. If I go to selection, the file, it selects everything.
Okay.
Escape, escape. Control, Alt.
You can click or click and drag. It's saying to deselect, press Alt plus C or
Alt.
yeah.
Alt and
C.
then C.
Yeah. Or Alt and Shift and C.
Doesn't work.
Control Shift C.
Okay, nothing to do. Stop here. Maybe another 10 minutes will do. Classes that not there. It's okay. Stop here. This is a problem. I have to find out a solution for this. Sometimes I press some key. And this auto selection happens. How to remove the auto selection? So,
Okay, auto selection. Turn off auto selection.
okay, fine. We'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद।